This is the assembly video for the Gisburn garden store from the Garden Village. Your garden store will arrive by courier, flat packed on a pallet. Open the pallet and unload the parts. Ensure you have the correct number of parts by checking against the parts list on the instruction sheet. On a flat, level surface, push one of the back panels into the slot on one of the side panels. Attach together with two corner braces placed at the top and bottom of the panels. Next, slot a mid-frame section to the back panel and fix with two more corner braces. Repeat with either one or two more back panels, depending on the size of garden store you have purchased. Slot in the second side panel and attach with corner braces. Screw down the front bar, ensuring the openings between the sections are at 650 mm. Large garden store front bars will be in two parts. Screw up through the front bar to attach the front roof support. Place the roof panels on the top and screw down onto the unit. Roll out the mineral felt and use the supplied clout nails to attach onto the roof framing before screwing on the timber roof trims. Attach the floor supports using two corner braces. Place the floor sections into position and screw down to secure. Repeat the attachment of floor supports and sections as required, depending upon the size of garden store you have purchased. Hang the doors with the T-hinges, approximately 100 mm from both the top and bottom, with an even gap around the sides. Leave enough clearance at the bottom to allow the door to open fully. Fix the handles and door bolts onto the unit to complete your store. Optional extras include additional shelves and hasps and staples to help secure your Gisburn garden store. Your Gisburn garden store is now ready to use. It can be painted or stained to help keep it looking great for years to come.